They actually live in some. This picture of my arm has been like really sore all day, so I can't like whatever like try to like do it. It hurts. So,
how'd you guys sleep last night?
Cool bins. Like,
They are cool bins.
Boston,
Isn't it fun to see what other cousins do? We're getting ready to go to the pool, and Julie's like, I know I've heard you talk a million times about sunscreen. I'm like, okay, this is the one. She's like, what are you wearing? And she's like, okay, well, which one? I have a glow. If you want a glow, this one. If you want no glow, this one. They're both good underneath makeup.
Feels good.
I'll link them for everyone again. All right, I don't know what happened to Julie's brush. I'm trying to see what kind of brush this is. Oh, it's a Sigma. Oh, and it is the thing. So I may have the exact one. Okay, so I don't know if she likes that it had the little divot, but she said, do you have any brushes? And I was like, you know what? I think I do. Here's a few extras that look similar. Let's choose one. Julie's getting her car loaded up. We are taking the kids. Where is it?
Splash Summit.
Splash Summit. And yesterday, if you watched our video, we went to 4 venues for free with our GetOutPasses. We're using them again today, making the most of them. And we're taking the kids to a water park.
It is such a fun water park. If you're in Utah, come visit this place.
Really?
I love it.
I think I've been there before, but I kind of can't remember. It's fine. We've all got sunblock on. We all had breakfast. We have our coolers packed. We're getting each other loaded into the car.
Oh, Lincoln, such a good helper.
It's because Lucy's so cute. Yes, we've definitely been here before. I just wasn't remembering. I think we found the most perfect spot. This is shady and there's tons of room. This is fantastic. We're gonna get our hand stamped so we can go get our lunch. We're gonna go eat by the car because they don't allow food in, which is just fine. Thank you. Hey. We'll find a spot out here to eat somewhere.
When we get back, I'm gonna go on the weights.
Yeah, you guys go over and save our spot in the shade, and me and Aunt Julie will go get the food. You guys go over there, okay?
Can I go?
There you go. No, I want you over here, sweetie. All of you go over there. And it dawned on me, I've been here many times. One time, Ellie was like right when we were starting YouTube and we just kind of wanted a break. She was living here, I was living in Logan. And I was like, I'll just come down, just me and you. And so I got a babysitter and just me and Ellie went to the water slides like all day long and it was so fun. And then I remember I came here with my boyfriend in college, Sean, and that was really fun.
I didn't like Sean, and I would call him Scene. Oh, you're gonna see Scene today?
Yeah, Julie didn't like him. It was when Julie and I were roommates in college.
I like Joel better.
You know, I really liked Sean. He was a fun boyfriend. Is it light though?
Yeah.
Okay, move your toes, Lucy. Keep going. You know, I'm really not doing a whole lot either. I mean, no, it's not because you're right against the tree.
Okay.
Let's slide it more. I guess it's okay. I don't know. I'm on the outside. Julie made the sandwiches. Thank you.
Oh, yes. It's like the slushies because they froze.
Here, Linky. Here you go, honey.
Can I have it? Mom, have a drink.
Why don't you come over here and help?
Here's your sandwich.
Cooper.
What?
Go back and see.
Strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime. Will you just last forever, forever? Strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime.
I have been asking the kids, I'm like, what do you guys think of these towels? Okay, I think they are very similar to the ones that we always buy off Amazon that dry really quick, except these ones feel like more like a blanket.
Yeah,
Like,
they're so much warmer, and you just feel comfortable.
yeah, I feel like they are a little thicker and they don't have that, like, I can't describe the feel to it, but if you've ever tried these hand towels in the kitchen, you, like, I wouldn't assume anything different other than them being super good. So I'll put the discount code for these towels. They're good for the whole website, but I'll put it in the description. I'm glad you like it. Do you like it?
This one, yeah.
Good. They're really
They
cute.
feel warm and they're
They do.
comfortable.
I like them.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were recording. If you heard me in the background getting mad, no big deal.
Well, I didn't hear you, but I was thinking about what I was saying. I'm sorry.
We're good.
Normally I try not to film if like anyone is getting mad at their kids, including myself. But sometimes we don't really catch it.
We all do it, right?
Sorry, Julie.
Yeah, okay.
These are the ones I was talking about. I've always loved these ones. And yeah, and Julie said she likes these ones better.
You guys,
That's awesome.
I just barely got out of the water and my swimsuit feels dry. I feel so dry.
Really?
And just completely dry, and my towel's not that wet.
All the kids are scheming about, I want to stay for another week. Can we just let so-and-so stay? Can we take so-and-so? And it makes me happy that you guys like each other and that you want to keep hanging out. But we'll see each other in Bear Lake in a couple weeks, okay? Okay.
She just said, can Olivia stay with us?
We'll see you guys soon. Love ya. Well, we made it home from Julie's, and I told the kids, I said, all right, I want every single thing cleaned out of the Suburban, so we've got everything taken out. Olivia and I are vacuuming and wiping it down because this thing has been to Sandy Bear Lake. It has been, you know, back and forth now from Provo, so it got dirty real quick. And while Olivia and I are doing that, we have the boys weeding the flower garden because Joel's gonna be home in like an hour. And so I was like, okay, you guys, let's all do dinner together when Dad gets home from working out at the property. We did stop and see him, which contributed to like the dusty feet, like dust all over the Suburban, like messy. So I'm pretty excited, even though it's a 2.5 hour drive home. I was so tired, but you know, we turned some tunes on, we enjoyed the drive home, and we're gonna clean up after our mess, get the and it's funny. The kids had all the energy in the world to play out in the 90-degree weather earlier in the water, and now they're like, it's hot, we need to go in. I'm like, no. You clean up after you play. Come on, we know the drill. So that's where we're at.
Mom, I never knew that cleaning a car could be so satisfying.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, I enjoy cleaning the car. It feels pretty good. It's a good, satisfying before and after. This is all vacuumed. I just need to wipe it now. You can see how dusty it is. Everyone is showered. Our chores are done. I need to close the vlog so that I can mentally open some space in my brain. It's nice to see you. Let's go get some food.
Let's go get some food.
Are you in your jammies? You don't have to wear your jammies.
Wear your jammies, who cares?
You can do whatever you want. I don't know why you put those on.
Those are the first things that I could see.
Wait, Mom, where are we gonna go to eat?
All right, I don't know. We're gonna get in the car and find out.
Wherever the car drives.
Okay,
What?
can I choose
Wherever
where
the
the car
car
drives?
Okay, bye everybody.